thing.
Yes.
There is something called the golden hour.
Excellent.
In order to reach to the office, doctor office, there are three medications, right?
What should be done?
Aspirin and atorvastatin or any other cholesterol medication. These medication, if they have it in the packet, and in case something happens, if they pop in that gives a prolonged, at least to reach the hospital.
Give a very big hand for him. That once you suspect that you may get a heart attack, may not be the same matter, you must call the emergency number. Don't drive yourself to the hospital. And keep that medicine what he is selling. Most important one, the 325 milligram aspirin, that is enough. Atorvastatin, okay. The 325 milligram aspirin, within 20 minutes, the clot occurred in the blood vessel, it get dissolved. Before it reach, there's a golden hour is 1 hour, now extended up to 3 to 4 hours. Do that one. Very good, big hand. Any more question? I don't ask. Please. I want everyone to listen. I'm detailing those who want to go detail earlier. Please.
Your age is an inspiration for us.
Very good.
So, is there an age like after 35, 40, we cannot start exercise or we can start at any age?
A very excellent question. I am in the Department of Institute of Cardiology. My room is on the 9th floor. Till today, climbing up to the room, I never use single time lift. I usually go by staircase only even today. So, climbing staircase much better than your treadmill. Because I'm used to that. My students, second year, third year, fourth year students, they cannot come to the second floor, third floor because they're not used to that. So never exercise when you are not tuned to that. It's regulated. Endurance is hard to exercise. You should develop gradually. I really appreciate that is exercise is mandatory. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes, please.
So,
Your name?
My name is Jaya Srinivas.
Yes, tell me.
So, sir, you mentioned that 8 hours of sleep is a prerequisite for
Yes.
good heart health. So, there are a few of us who are not able to make up to those 8 hours of sleep every night. So, is there a way that we can compensate?
Very
and
good,
sleep be
excellent.
compensated?
Now, if you are going to compromise your 8 hours of sleep, you are reducing your life. Are you going to live longer, healthy way? You want to reduce your life. If you want to die at the age of 40, 50, sleep only 5 hours, 6 hours, you die happily. You want to decide to be healthy and happy, only during sleep of 7 to 8 hours, please remember, all organs will be regenerated only during the time of your sleep. Melatonin is secreted. For melatonin to secrete, you must go to the happy mode of endorphin. The byproduct is melatonin. We ought to sleep. Never compromise sleep any account. Because the world, nothing is more precious than your life itself. Am I clear? That's what I used to say. After 1, you add any number of zeros. 1, 5 zeros, 8 zeros, 10 to all the zeros you keep adding become more and more rich. The zeros will have value. Only the one is existence. The one is your life. Don't lose your life and add zeros. It becomes meaningless. The most important. Here, because of extension of our question, I'm really happy. If a person going to sit in one place continuously for 8 hours. How many hours? 8 hours. They are equivalent to smoking 30 cigarettes. So every an hour, 15 seconds get up stage and then start working. You must give a break every an hour. 15 seconds enough, then body will get accepted. Do you agree? I really appreciate. And then, before they leave question by you, then we'll have discussion. Jai Nandini. Jai, one question.
I don't have any question.
Very good. Yes, Nandini. Any
I
question?
don't have any questions.
Very good. So, yes, please.
After the medals,
Very good, whatever thing. So the concept that today, last 2 months you will be surprised. The Chokeling have been traveling 8 countries. This is the 9th country I am visiting. Another 2 more countries I am going to do that. The reason I am going is, I want to do the best of what I learn I am following. So no medicines.
Great.
What I learn I want to communicate this community so that they can be healthy. So please remember, nothing like what you know is you must communicate to the society. I'm really honored I'm thankful, excellent. And actually after the COVID and heart attack, no connection at all. And COVID injection, heart attack, no connection. But the lot of heart attack because during COVID, many life has been lost, job has gone, money has gone, the tension resulted in heart attack. It is not a COVID. Please remember that. Accept the situation. Be happy. Make others happy too. I really appreciate. Thank you very much
Rahul.
for
Thank
this.
you so much for your
excellent